So let's get started with brewing process of Aeropress. First of all, you need to set the scale to 0. Both the time and weight should be 0, 0, 0, 0. So now start with preheating the Aeropress and range it to. Meanwhile, you need to wash the filter paper also. Now let's measure the coffee. Put the funnel first and tear the scale to 0. Make sure timer is also set to 0. Here we are using 22 gram of medium fine ground coffee, and roast we are using its medium dark. After weighing coffee, you need to remove the funnel and tear the scale to 0, 0. So after weighing coffee, now slowly add 100 to 150 gram of hot water. Make sure it's not boiled hot water. You need to use temperature between 195 degree Fahrenheit to 198 degree Fahrenheit. Now slowly stir the coffee for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, close the filter lid tightly and wait for 2 minutes. You can squeeze some of the air also. After 2 minutes, you need to flip the Aeropress over the 10-ounce cup and start pressing until you hear a hissing sound. Then add 160 to 200 gram of hot water. Stir it and enjoy the coffee. Please consider subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.